Hi guys, my friend Marwan here and I both love meat. We love magnificent steaks, but difficult times, so we're gonna do the best possible kafta using black Angus American beef. Let's check it out. It's gonna be really amazing. So first, we're gonna start with 1.6 kilos of finely ground black Angus. Now you can use any kind of beef or lamb, but it has to have about 20 to 25% fat. So we're gonna put it on the cutting board. Now you have to spread it, and I'm gonna add the ingredients and you're gonna keep on mixing. Okay, so
should I start?
Yeah.
I've never done this before, so any technique or you just do it instinctively?
Yeah, instinctively.
Yalla, ya adra.
Press! Make it flat as if you're opening a pizza.
Opening a pizza.
And of course you need the kesara with that. Make a hole in the middle, like a well, so I can put some ingredients in.
You want me to poke the meat? Like this?
No, like that.
Ah, okay. Well.
Okay, so what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put some ingredients in here and we're gonna flip and na'jun.
The traditional way.
Yes, exactly.
Perfect, I love this.
So meanwhile, I'm gonna be helping you filling it up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 4 eggs because I want it to be very fluffy. You can go ahead.
What do you want me to do? The mix with the egg?
Yeah.
You want me to get my hands dirty with the egg?
Yeah, like
wow.
that.
Amazing.
Like that. And don't let all the juices go out.
I can feel the juices. A lot of juices.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's all gonna get better. Yeah. Keep going.
Yalla.
So to that I'm gonna add 50 grams of breadcrumbs. That's gonna help absorb all the egg mix.
Everything needs to go, right? They need to disappear into the...
Yeah, exactly. Combine the whole thing.
Perfect. Yeah.
You can go harder,
I'm a soft guy, but I will do this for you. Don't worry.
Yeah, I need a well.
A well, huh? Hi, well.
Yalla. I'm gonna help you with some breadcrumbs here.
That's a lot of eggs, huh?
So for every 400 grams of meat, you need 1 egg. And about 13 grams of breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are gonna absorb all the liquid from the egg. You see? So meanwhile, I'm gonna be chopping some shallots. You can chop some red onions or whatever you want. But the total for the 1.6 kilograms is gonna be 100 grams of onions.
Okay.
I'm using shallots, but you can use any onion you like. So when you say kafta, you always think parsley, right?
Yes.
So now we're gonna add 40 grams of finely chopped parsley to that. Again, I need a well.
Like this?
Yeah, make it as wide as possible. And 40 grams of chopped parsley.
And then we mix them again.
You have to keep on mixing. So to spice it up,
yes,
I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It's not gonna be very chili, but it's just gonna elevate it a little bit.
Some flavors, more flavors?
Some punch.
Punch.
So to that quantity, I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of salt.
Okay.
Okay, so that's about 24 grams. It's 6 grams per 400 grams.
Okay.
Okay?
So
keep going.
Again, okay.
Some extra for your taste buds.
Oh, you're so kind, Chris.
And another well.
Don't tell me eggs.
1 egg. One last one.
Okay.
Here, voila.
Yes, of course. The well. I like this. I like this technical term, actually.
I think it's the first time you touch meat that way,
yes,
right?
of course, of course. I just hope the looks on my wife's face is not negative.
No, she's smiling.
Okay. Fanny, this is something you like to do a lot at home, but you don't let me participate like my dear friend Chris is doing.
Now you,
Yes.
you're gonna thank me because he's gonna help you in the kitchen, right? At least with the kafta.
At this stage, still, we need to.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going. You're still. Now you're at 55% of the way.
Now you learned the secrets of the profession.
Now we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of kafta spices. You can find them everywhere. So today we're not gonna make them on a seer. The whole idea is that we're gonna make them as meatballs.
Oh,
because I want to retain all the juices inside.
Yeah, I like.
You know how we like the juices in meat.
I
We don't like
this.
the dry.
That's an amazing way to do them. Perfect.
This is why I added some breadcrumbs
Okay.
and eggs to make it more fluffy and juicy.
It gets together, right?
And we're gonna add something very interesting that I don't think anyone does. We're gonna add 40 grams of vinegar, red wine vinegar.
That's unusual, huh?
Yeah, which is gonna help with the taste. You know, taste getting a bit more acidic, more interesting.
I like that.
So we also need a well.
Yeah.
But this time it has to be. You have to be really careful because it's very liquid. So
Liquid,
I'm gonna put half of it.
Okay, done. Anything else is needed here, or do I still keep doing it?
But you know what? Let me show you something. Try to get as deep as possible.
Okay.
Because it makes things,
Okay.
you know, faster. And anyway, you have your hands all dirty, so it won't really matter. You're almost done. I mean,
Yeah, I can feel it.
I don't mind tasting that.
How is it?
Wow.
I mean, it looks amazing, actually.
You would want a little bit more of salt, but
Wow. Yeah, actually, I agree. It's a bit more so bad, but the taste is amazing. Amazing. Yalla. Let's get the salt inside.
so now look what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take one piece and you're gonna try to do the same.
Okay.
So
Make them.
yeah, you take like, this should be about 70 to 80 grams of meat, of the whole mix. And then you keep rolling until you have something like that. And I like to have them a bit long. Not a perfect,
Makes sense.
So I'm gonna do, you can either
Okay.
keep it that way or make it a bit bigger, it's up to you. Oh, perfect, that's it. So we're gonna be doing two now. We're gonna grill them and taste them.
Yalla.
So our grill is quite strong. We're gonna, it has to be like medium to high heat. We can just put it that way. Now for this size, this is like about 80 grams, 80 and maybe 65. We need 2 minutes on each side. 2 minutes, I mean, on 4 sides, because it's not like flat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip it over and then flip it on all sides.
So 2 minutes. So it's 8 minutes total.
Yeah, 8 to 10 minutes depending on your fire.
Okay.
Okay, and depending how you like it done, but I like it juicy, so 8 minutes always better. So let's put 2 minutes and come back. So now, my friend, you're gonna flip them.
They look amazing. Hello,
Look
Joey.
at that, look at that color, look at that color, look.
Wow.
You see?
Wow. I bet this,
It's gonna be amazing.
right? This bears a little bit of crispiness.
Of course, this is the whole point.
Amazing. Oh, Christian.
So now we have 2 sides that are perfectly grilled. We need to flip the 2
Would
other
they
ones.
hold or should I?
This one is already done.
Okay.
It's done for you. No, it's done.
That's done. Okay.
Look, this is grilled. Now we have to put it on the side. Last flip.
Looks really nice. Chris.
Look at that. Look at the fat rendering here.
Looks really good. Look at the juices dripping.
Yeah, of course. So we're not gonna use any forks and knives for that. We're gonna be doing just that. See that?
Look at the juices, man. Wow, amazing.
Just go for it.
Man, it's amazing. Wow.
Will you ever have another kafta in your life?
No, that's it. Wow, amazing.
I mean, you have no excuse. You have all the details to do the perfect kafta. Don't hesitate. And please ask me any question you need to get more info on the comments below. Cheers.
Cheers, Chris. Well done.